Here comes Josh through the river crossing. He's a pretty deep one too. Here comes Dave with the kids. Oh, Nathan's gotten in there. Oh, it's a video. Oh. Oh, that's a bit scary. Oh, that was a bit scary. Ah!
I thought that one's gonna stop, eh?
Josh, maybe you should go in with Cherie in there, just in case she starts taking off. Can you go? Just wait! They've just swapped drivers. Josh is going to drive now. Because it's a bit deeper now than when we went through last time. Here we go. Whoa! That's just scary.
No, that's nothing.
Okay. Well, at least they're out when they have stopped.